Today I thought we would do a quick video just showing the most minimal build that you could use with the Arri Alexa Classic. So what I thought we could do is we could build it up to sort of the minimum amount of equipment or rigging needed in order to make it usable. So I thought probably the easiest build, or one of the quickest builds, would be a shoulder mount build. So let's go through the steps and what equipment is required or rigging is required in order to get the Arri Alexa Classic rigged up to a shoulder mount configuration from basically a relatively bare starting point. Okay, so let's get into it. Here we have the body of the Arri Alexa, and it has a few components already put onto it. So it has the top handle, it has the EV mount that goes here on the front with the mounting arm for the EV here. So the first thing we would need to add is the EV, and for that we have the actual EV and then the short cord to put it on the side. So we gotta line these up, and this goes here, locks on, there it goes. Gotta line those pins up in order for it to work. Okay, so now we have the EVF on, and next component we would need is this here very basic shoulder pad, and this one is actually the Arri Classic pad. It's got the notching. I'll put it down here so you can see. It's got notching in here that fits with the bridge plate. So let's put that on. And here we can see that we have this bridge plate here. And this is an important piece. It's called BPA1. It's the bridge plate 1. And it basically is needed in order to interface with any of the other base plates, like the one that I have, which is a 15 millimeter rod, studio rod set, the wider spacing. But they are obviously, the Alexa comes with the built-in 15 mil rods as well. So the pad has Velcro on it and it can fit, so we can stick that right in and then put it on. We have also this little handle. I want to get an extension, Arri Rosette extension, so that I can push this handle a little bit further forward. The way it is now, it does have the ability to sort of go forward, and then obviously we would need a battery. There we go, we have basic shoulder rig. And it's, it's not bad. Obviously I need to put a lens on. But that is a basic setup with the Arri Alexa. Now the way I have it right now, my arm is going to get tired. So I want to have it out a little bit further. Although this isn't too bad, and it does allow you to sort of stack your arm. So it's very stable and it will work really well, but it's just not as easy to handhold for long periods of time. But I just wanted to do a quick build and just build the camera up and show what parts and what components are actually required in order to get going with an Alexa Classic. Obviously, I have the Litex mount on here with the the EF mounting plate. Eventually, I would like to also get the PL mount in the Litex version. I mean, obviously it comes with the Arri Alexa. I have the PL mount that comes with it, but it's a difficult mount to take on and off. It's like a pressure fit. Whereas this is a coupling system in the Litex system, so you're able to put different mounts on fairly easy. It's just 6 screws that are very easy to access and very easy to take on and off. So you can basically field swap your mount if you have the Litex system. So it is a pretty big upgrade on the Alexa. Anyways, I think that's it for today. I just wanted to quickly show a quick build, get it up to shoulder mount build, and yeah, what parts are required in order to get your Alexa up and running. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. Talk to you again next time. Bye.